It was good.
That one was how many liters?
It was 1 liter.
Okay.
Harvester.
You have the spray for that chili? Oh, it's finished.
Yes, finished.
Every time, money.
And vigilant.
This one you bring 1 liter.
About the other one?
This one you bring
the chili last
250 mils. Now this one I'm going to change to super grow. Super grow we can get 5 liters at around 200 something. Then that one will take us very well, because even if the rain is not there, you can spray super grow and the plants still do well.
Okay.
Yeah,
So we have to buy that.
I want us to first get some money, then we buy that one. That
one we're gonna spray on Saturday.
Yeah.
Good man on Saturday.
Yeah.
So that one, it makes the production very well.
Yeah, that one is successful.
That's fire. What you're expecting is only
Fire.
the production.
That is charcoal.
Who's making?
Yeah.
What you're
Those
focusing
guys.
is the production.
Mm.
So they make
No.
in the farm.
No.